Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and otherkin. I'm Billy Brujo, and tonight we're going to college. I'm sorry, I couldn't read the cue cards. We're going to collage.
Forgive us, Father, for we are about to do soccer mom magic. For this project, you will need poster board, a glue stick, scissors, the internet, and a printer. Look up some pictures of stuff you want to have happen and print them out. If you have any Photoshop skills, now's the time. Cut out and paste down your pictures. Stick the whole mess somewhere where you stare at it a lot.
Until next time, keep your spirits up.